It says here that the earliest known use of this technique dates back to the late Bronze Age, which completely changes the timeline we previously assumed.
Push through it. Don't give up now.
Give me that! I told you not to touch my things. You never listen.
I wasn't doing anything. Why are you so dramatic?
Yeah. Ugh, that sounds terrible.
Are they even trying? Make it stop. Wow, I can't believe this place. Look at all this stuff up here. It's incredible.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Okay, this hallway was creepy, but this is amazing. I've never seen anything like it. Look at all this dust. Time to make these books shine. What a beautiful day for cleaning.
I'm making this the coziest spot ever. Cushion here, teddy bear there, and voila, it's perfect now. Just gonna scooch him into place, dust off my hands, and boom, we are officially reorganized.
Okay, so if we take this magenta and add just the right amount of yellow, we should get yes. Pay close attention to the torque specs here. Over-tightening will throw off the entire calibration sequence later on.
And the cookies go right here. Yes, this is the perfect spot for a tea party. It's so cozy down here, but I even set up a little tea party with my friends. Okay, hold them right there while I tie this knot. This is the life. So peaceful.
The roof is caving in! The bucket is overflowing! I cannot keep up with the water!
Open! Help! Help! Please, someone help me!
Hold still! We need this secure before the wind rips it apart!
This is such a great evening with friends.
I couldn't agree more. Let's make it a regular thing. I'm really sorry about that.
It's okay. I forgive you. Thank you.
This is going to look amazing. Let's make our house the coziest spot ever.
But what if they don't believe us? They have to. We're running out of time. Look over there.
They're really handsome.
He is stunning. Look at those eyes. Seriously, I almost gasped.
Look at his muscles. Wow.
You guys are way too obsessed with handsome guys.
Hello, beautiful girls.
He is so charming. I think I'm in love already. I need to eliminate some competition. Zoe, how dare she compete with me for Genu?
Oh, wow. I really didn't expect this. This is really sweet. Thank you.
I just wanted to make you smile.
I have to find a way. You have to be mine, Genu.
What are you doing?
I prepared a small party for us.
What is this?
Okay. I guess.
Let's share this strand of noodles.
What What do you think you're doing? Yeah, you've gone way too far this time. Let go of me. You don't control me. Stop struggling. You're not going anywhere. It's over. Just give up. I'll never surrender to you.
Did I miss something? I'm really confused right now.
Do you have any way to help me escape from these annoying girls?
I think there's someone who actually likes them.
Wait, what just happened? I don't understand. This doesn't make any sense.
I know this might be sudden, but I really like you, so I was hoping you'd accept this.
Oh, I didn't expect.
I know this might be sudden, but I didn't want to hide it anymore. I really like you. Would you go out with me? I've been wanting to say this for a long time. Being with you makes everything feel brighter.
So they all have new love now. They're leaving me behind.
Observe closely. This is how true power is acquired, and you, my friends, are about to witness it firsthand.
Somebody help! Is anyone there?
I've come to clean up this mess, starting with you.
Is anyone there to help me? Did Dr. Han hurt Mira?
Who's there?
I need to escape from here quickly. Oh no. I am surrounded. A jet propulsion device. Goodbye, Dr. Han.
This isn't over!
Zoe!
Rumi, why did you come home this way?
Zoe, we need to run quickly.
Ah, there you are. I've been expecting you. Please, step inside. I have much to show you.
Rumi, you are overthinking. Dr. Han is our friend. I cannot believe you this time, Rumi.
Let me go!
You're not going anywhere. Stop struggling.
I won't give up! I need to go find help! Dr. Han?
Trust me, my friend. This device will solve all our problems. Come closer, and I'll show you how it works.
I hear Rumi's voice.
Jinu!
Do not worry. I will protect you.
We need to capture the scientist tonight. We'll corner him near the old lab.
But what if he fights back?
We stick to the plan. Ready?
Chase me, Dr. Han.
Dealing with Dr. Han is very simple.
Out of my way, Doc! Oh! And stay out! Please, you have to let me out. I don't belong in here. This is all a terrible mistake. Please, release me!
Now I have to go save Mira and Zoe.
Time to power up. Whoa, I feel it. Yeah, this is awesome.
Welcome back.